Okay, let's dive into this explainer. Are we literally watching the death of the computer mouse?
Seriously, is our old school way of manually clicking and typing officially dying out? It sure seems so.
See, Nvidia's new RTX Spark chip is designed to autonomously navigate your PC entirely on your behalf. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is it's the first true PC reimagining in 40 years. Enter the RTX Spark. Launching this year, this wild new integrated superchip pairs seamlessly with Windows. Basically, your PC is evolving from a simple tool into an autonomous, hyper-intelligent digital coworker. And this brilliantly illustrates our shift from old, manual clicking to a brand new, agentic computing era. This relies on private edge AI, so lightning-fast, autonomous operations happen securely right on your device. Nvidia and MediaTek combined hardware to process these agents locally without sacrificing that thin, light laptop design. Plus, Nvidia's CEO calls AI job loss fears complete nonsense, noting this tech actually boosts software engineer hiring. Let's move to and see how this builds a completely massive industry battle over autonomous tech. Huge hardware giants like Dell, Lenovo, Asus, and HP are rapidly adopting this superchip for upcoming machines. But man, competition is fierce. Intel is fighting back with its upcoming Crescent Island AI chip. Also, Nvidia is pushing its Vera CPU to grab massive AI innovators like SpaceX and OpenAI. So the crucial point is we're seeing a monumental shift from apps to actual AI agents. This autonomous leap is literally here today. So are you ready for your new digital coworker?